Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your monthly reading for the month of November 2020, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Librans in the month of November 2020, please. For my Librans, okay, these cards are really slippery. It's new deck, so that is why, you know, they are like, they want to just come out. Okay, let's see for my Librans, please. Okay. One more shuffle. One more. Okay. Okay, well, I will take this card as well. I have the Magician over here. This is really, you know, when you have all the tools around you, this is that thing with the Magician. You know, Magician has all the tools. Magician is trying to work on something, gaining focus. That is what this Magician tells us. So it might be you, or might be a person over here who is like gaining a lot of focus, you know, giving a lot of focus towards some kind of a thing. Might be this relationship, or might be something else. Okay, let's see. Five of Cups and the King of Wands. So it's like regrets. It's like you on the sadder part. What is happening, Librans? So it's definitely not you. The Magician, it's like it's your person I'm getting, because we have the King of Wands as well with the Magician, Aries energy. So sorry, this is yeah, this is Aries. King of Wands is Aries. So I'm really getting over here that, you know, when you are in that mode where there are some kind of griefs from the past issues, might be some kind of bad things happening. So there is grief, there is sadness in your part. You might be thinking about some person or some situation which was really bad, which was done bad by you or by someone. So that is why it's like you are really sad about that thing. King of Wands as your person over here is like, you know, somebody who is a decision oriented, and this person is really working on himself or herself in their life. And it's like more giving the energies towards something else rather than the relationship right now. Seven of Pentacles and Page of Wands. Yeah, see, things around you are really slow with the Seven of Pentacles. Things might take some time, but you know, the good part with this is, well, the Five of Cups is really a sad card for you, but with the Seven of Pentacles, it's like sorry, so it's like you are sad about something, but still you want to focus on yourself. That is the good thing over here. Your person is like, they are like King of Wands and the Page of Wands. The Wands are really coming, might be dealing with a fire sign. It's like you and your person is really focusing on something, you know, very energetic, something enthusiastic. These energies are really contradicting, you know. You on one side, you have become very calm, patient. Libran energy, no. Libras are the air signs. They are not the emotion. Yes, they are emotional, but your energies are really, sorry, your energies are really over here are related to, you know, earth energies, very slow energies. Three of Wands and Five of Pentacles here. There's no contact with your person. Hmm. Are you waiting for some kind of contact, Librans? Because you're waiting. You are waiting patiently. Three of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles on your side. It's really looking to me as that you are waiting, but your person is like they are not giving a damn towards the situation. You're waiting for your person, you're waiting for them to text you, call you, message you, but it's going all in vain, Librans. Yeah. That inner strength. Okay, so this might be a Leo. Well, we have both the Leo cards. We might be dealing with a Leo, strong Leo energy over here. Queen of Wands with the Strength card. It is actually looking to me as if somebody has just, they're not thinking. Okay, they have moved on, Librans. It's you who has not moved on. Are you really trying to get them back? Why? That is why you are manifesting about something. Are you trying to manifest about the separation which happened, or to, you know, you want them to come back in your life? For what you are manifesting? You are doing something. You are really. Hmm. Your energy is the Emperor. Yeah. Something is really, really pinching you in your heart. Your heart is cold. You might not make anyone feel what you are feeling inside, but you are feeling something. You are trying to show that you are really hard. You are like the warrior who cannot be hurt. But the emotions, you are really emotional. You are feeling very emotional right now, Librans. That is what I'm getting over here. Yeah. It's that emotional energy which you are not actually telling anyone. Deep down inside, you are like, you want to say something. There is something which is actually pinching you hard, but you are not able to talk to anyone, share your feelings towards to anyone. And I'm really getting your person over here is like they are, there is a very opposite energy over here. You are somewhere else and they are in their place, like, left you, or just not talking about you. That is where your person is. The Empress and the Chariot for your advice. So the Chariot is really over here. The Chariot is looking to me as a Two of Swords, because this Chariot is a little confused over here. Yeah, this way or that way. So it's you who have to really, now this is the time to decide. Now you cannot just um sit and think now where to go, because you're already riding the bike. So you cannot stop right now. No, you have to just take a decision fast, and whatever you want, because you are really, with this Five of Cups and this Seven of Pentacles energy, I'm really getting that, you are really focusing on the things which are just ended. Okay, they can never come back. Past is gone, Librans. Past is gone, it cannot come back. So try to improve your present so that your future will also improve. Try to make things better in your present, and when you will do that thing, everything will come towards you. With the Empress, I'm really getting that you are getting the attention, the love from others as well, because you are being portrayed as the bad one over here. What else do we have? The Tower. Yeah, the Tower is broken. Okay, it has fallen down. It's really hard because the foundation was really hard. Sorry, the foundation was not so hard. Foundation was Five of Wands. See, many people were involved, Librans, in your situation. more people, more talks, and more misconceptions, and that is why something ended, because of other people's getting involved in the situation. Page of Swords, yeah. Communication. This is actually communication going wrong way. That is what I'm getting over here, and that is why the tower has fallen. And if you are away with your person over here, it's really because of the third party. Third party, I'm not saying that somebody else, like a lover, a third lover. I'm really saying the third party can be a mother, can be a sister, can be a friend. Okay, so that is what, when there are more manipulations, more talking, people talking to you, against, telling you against your person, and you start to believe them. That is what I'm getting. That now your eyes are, opening, and you have to actually see what is actually happening. You have to see that in front of you, and you are actually seeing as well. So it is up to you, Librans, because the energies are really not saying good to me about the situation from which you were dealing. Okay, so that is all from my side, Librans. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.